Hi team. So in the last video we saw how to install Java and set Java home. If you have not configured Java on your machine yet, I strongly recommend you to watch my previous video and configure Java on your machine before using IntelliJ IDEA for Java. I will provide that video link in the description of this video. So today in this video we will see how to download and set up IntelliJ IDEA for Java, and I have created a PDF document explaining the process. So you can go through the document as well. I will be showing you the demo on my MacBook, but if you are a Windows user, you can still watch the video because overall process is same. But for a few Windows related steps, you can refer to this document. I have added those Windows specific steps here, so you can refer to this document and complete your installation on Windows as well. So now let's get started. So before downloading the IntelliJ IDEA, we should know what is IntelliJ IDEA. So IntelliJ IDEA is a powerful software application used by developers to write, run, test, and manage code efficiently. It is developed by JetBrains and is one of the most popular IDEs. So what is IDE? IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. An IDE provides everything needed for software development in one place, such as a code editor, compiler, debugger, terminal, etc. So let's get started with the actual download and install process. So to download the IntelliJ IDEA, we need to search with this keyword in any of the browser. So let me paste it here and hit enter. So as you can see in the search result, the first link itself is from JetBrains. So if we click on it, it will show us the download button with the compatible file pre-selected. As I am using an Intel MacBook, it is showing me the Intel compatible file here. So I just need to hit the download button and it will start the download. I am clicking on the downloaded file to open it. So now I just need to drag and drop this file to applications folder, and it will be installed on Mac. On Windows, the process is slightly different. So you can follow the PDF document which I am going to share in the video description. So let me drag and drop it here. So it will copy the file in the applications folder. Once it is done, I can open my IntelliJ IDEA. So it's done. Now we can close it. Let me open my applications section. So here now it is showing the IntelliJ IDEA. So I'm opening the application. So when you open it first time, it may ask you it may show you a confirmation pop-up to open the file. You can tap on open. So now IntelliJ IDEA is opening, and also it may ask you for necessary permissions, so you can provide the permissions. Yeah, now the IntelliJ IDEA welcome screen is open. So when you download and install it for the very first time, it may show you that accept user agreement and data sharing preferences screen. So you can read the agreement if you want, and you can click on I confirm checkbox and tap on continue. Then it will show the data sharing screen. So the on this you can click either don't send or send on anonymous statistics. It's up to you. You can choose any option. Then the installation part will complete, and IntelliJ IDEA welcome screen will open. Since I have downloaded it multiple times, so that's why these screens are not showing for me, and it opened directly the welcome to IntelliJ IDEA screen. So now the installation part is done. Now we need to create a new project to test the IntelliJ IDEA. So we can click on this new project. Let's give the project name mobile automation. I'm keeping the other settings as default for now, since we just need to test it. And as you can see, it will add a sample code as well for testing. So let's hit on create. Yeah, it created the project, and it created the sample code as well. So now we can hit this play button to run the code and verify the output. So it should print this hello and welcome, and then it should print this up to it should print the numbers up to 5. So let's see. Yeah, as you can see, it printed the screen and the numbers. So it means the installation is successful and the uh, return code is running. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.